In this video, we are going to discuss how you can turn off Windows Defender in Microsoft Windows 11. So you can go in Windows Start tab and you can search for Defender, and then you can click here Windows Security. Then here you can see virus and threat protection. So you can go here, then scroll down, and then you can click on Manage Settings. And here you can see real-time protection is on. Just you can turn off from here. Then scroll down. You can also turn off this option, and then you can go firewall and network protection. You can also turn off these domain network, as well as if you want to turn off private network, public network, then app and browser control. Scroll down, click here, and here you can see it is already turned off. In this way you can easily turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11.